So far since 2011, how do you think the changes have gone off?
Well, I know it's definitely increased the workload that has been put upon our staff to process those applications. I think in some of the statistical review that I did, I saw that we had about 1,600 applications in the first 6 months of 2011 when the new law went into effect. And over the past 4 years or so, we somewhat hover at 1,000 or maybe less than that for the entire year. So we anticipate coming up in January of 16 that we're going to see a significant uptick in the applications once again as people are coming in to renew and get their permit for the next 5 years. What we're hoping to do there is to streamline the process, make things run a little bit more efficiently, get some benefit for the sheriff's office, but also for the applicants as well, where they'd only have to come to the sheriff's office once, and that would be at the end of the process to pick up their application, provide their identification, and the training certificate that's required under Iowa law. We're hoping that we can take some of the time that it takes us to process and handle the application, the paper applications at the window, and maybe utilize that time more efficiently towards the back end or the meat and potatoes, if you want to say, the background investigation phase. Back in 2011, we had to limit the number of applicants that we would handle in a day just because of the sheer volume and the amount of foot traffic that we had at the window. We didn't hire additional staff, and we didn't fund any overtime hours or expend any dollars in overtime to handle the process. So we're hoping that we can take a greater number of applications and process those, and we won't be tied up at the beginning stage or the first step of the process. And we have a 30-day window from the time of application. We have a 30-day timeline that's on us that we have to either approve or deny the application. So we do have a deadline that we're up against as well. So we're hoping that this is going to really, again, streamline our process and make things run much more efficient. And it's also, for the applicants, the public, it's going to reduce the amount of time that they spend here, and it cuts down on one trip that they won't necessarily have to make to come in. There is an option still available for those people that don't want to or can't, for whatever reason, utilize the online procedure to come to the sheriff's office, come to the window, and we will still process those applications through a computer kiosk that we'll have here.